Hi, this is Unusual Bee Works, and we wanted to show you one of our new projects that we're doing together as a family. Going to be a whole lot of fun. There's my son there. We're going to build a Lego beehive, a workable Lego beehive, and here's the start of it right here. It's going to be to actual dimensions, and once we get it built, we're going to show you, we're going to put bees in it. The one and only Lego beehive I've ever seen. Never seen nobody else have one. Started off with 2 of these base plates, and that's what's on the bottom.
10 inches by 10 inches.
They're 10 by 10 or 32 dots by 32 dots, and then put 2 of them together, which is going to make that about the size of a nuke once we get done here. But we'll show you as we're building it.
So we have progressed a little bit on our Lego beehive here. Progressed a little bit on this side and a little bit on these sides over here as well. And we added a little door we found in some of these straight round Legos, and found it worked pretty good for an entrance hole here. You just open it up if you want them to come out and close it. Which, if you buy Legos, a lot of the stuff you're gonna get is like this. Little wheels and trinkets and whatever this thing is, and all this other stuff that you don't really need. And actually, we bought this stuff right here offline. We got a lot of this and doodads and what's-its and really stuff we didn't need, because we're building this out of just straight Lego bricks and trying to part together whatever we can use, because Legos are not cheap.
But they're incredibly fun.
Yep.
Even for an old man.
And we got some new bags of Lego bricks here. I believe it's 1,000 bricks per bag. And we're going to continue building. So we have completed our Lego nuke here. As you can see, we've built up quite a bit on it and made ourselves a top. And this nuke here, it holds 6 frames, which we have already.
This top we made, now on this top we had to take a piece of plywood. It's just a 3/4 piece of plywood, and we glued the Legos on it to make it look like a Lego top. And it works pretty good. You can see the Legos there, but we've glued them on so that they won't come off. Now this box here, this nuke box, we've not glued none of it. None of this is glued. So, you know, and as you can see here in the top, here's a six frames here that we've put in the top here. You can see here, see how they fit down in there? Get a picture and they can see. See, we made an edge, and over here we put Lego blocks and connected and made an edge for the frames to set in. And it's going to hold, it'll hold 6 deep, which that one's a super frame, but that's because it's in front of our door, but it'll hold 6 deep frames. You can see there's one a little bit old drawn out cone. But it'll hold 6 deep frames. This is going to be a 6 frame nuke box.
And here's our little door we have on it. Can open and close pretty easily.
With the bee's door.
Yeah.
We have, I believe there's over 6,000 Lego blocks in this project. And I'm going to tell you, right now, it was incredibly fun to do as a family, and we had a good time, but it's extremely expensive. You're not going to build this for a few bucks. It was very, very expensive, and as far as I know, it's the only one in the world. It's world's only Lego Beehive. But we wanted to do something. It's fun, and some of you kids have a lot of Legos, or you're going to have a bunch. Maybe you want to build your own. But we're going to put bees in this one and actually make it a workable beehive. And this is just a little Lego window that come with some of our Legos, and that's going to be a vent hole that we can use for the bees. I think it turned out real good. World's only unofficial Lego Beehive.
Thanks for watching.